guys, and welcome back to another episode of Hanging with Miss Sphere. Today we are going to focus on subtraction. We're going to start subtraction easy. We'll do single digit and then double digit, and then we'll do some double digit with regrouping. That should be pretty cool. Some of this is review for you guys, and some of this is enrichment, stuff we didn't get to yet that I think will be good for you to know too. So feel free, just like we are in class, you can pause it when I say pause, or when I write the problem down, pause it, try to work it yourself. If you're struggling and need help with it, just hit play and I'll work through it. And then if you end up solving it and want to check your work, that's when you want to go ahead and pause it, and then when you're ready to check your work, push play, and then I'll work you through it so you can check and see if you got it correct. All right, without further ado, let's get started. Remember, we're gonna start off easy and then get a little harder, okay? I have my board faced like this right now. I know typically I do it the other way, but this way, with subtraction, especially when we get to regrouping and checking our work, we have to, it takes a lot more room, so I have it this way instead. So we'll start simple. Let's do 6 minus 2. Pause. All right, when you're ready to solve this problem, I always think of it as apples. You can think of whatever you want, but I always think of it as apples, and I've done that forever. And so I envision 6 apples in my head. My top number that I'm working with is the number I have, the total. I have 6 apples. My bottom number is what I'm taking away from that total. So I start with 6 and then I take 2 away, okay? You can count up or you can just subtract, whatever you're comfortable doing. Now, I'm gonna show you both ways throughout this film to give you a choice of what you'd like to do. So if you wanted to subtract, you could do 6 apples minus 2, 6, okay, 5, 4, leaves you 4 apples. Or you can count up. You can start with the smallest number and you can count up 6. So you'd start with, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both strategies give you the same answer, okay? You're still gonna have 4 apples when you have 6 apples and you take away 2 apples. So that's that. Let's get a little harder. Let's do 14 minus 2. Pause. All right, for this one, you have a ones place and you have a tens place. I'm gonna walk you through what to do. Just like addition, you're gonna wanna start with the right hand and then move to the left. So here we go. We have 4 apples. We'll just focus on what's in the ones place right now. We have 4 apples minus 2 apples. So you can count up or you can subtract, okay? 4, 3, 2, you're left with 2. Or you can start with the 2 and get to 4, 2, 3, 4. It's still gonna give you 2. Then I'm left with this number. I don't have anything to do with this number. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna drop that number down right here. So that's my answer, okay? So I told you I would show you how to check your work. You can check your work with this one. It's not necessary yet though, so just bear with me on that. So this isn't one like this. We'll do another one that's kind of easy, and then we'll get a little tougher, okay? We'll do 74 minus, let's do, yeah, let's keep it easy and then we'll get a little harder. So pause. All right, here, when you're ready, we're gonna start with the right-hand side, just like we did before, and then we'll move to our left. So we're gonna start with our top number, which is a 4, and we're gonna take 2 away, or you can start with the 2 and count up to 4. Regardless, it's 4, or 2, 3, 4. It's gonna give you 2, okay? Then I'm gonna move to my left hand, my tens place. This is a little bit different than the last one. Now I have 7 apples, and I need to take away 1 apple, okay? So 7 minus 1 is gonna give me 6. If I really want to, I could start at the 1 and count up 7. That's still gonna give you 6. So 62 is your answer. All right, now we're gonna get tougher. Here we go. All right, guys, let's do some subtraction with regrouping. Here we go. Let's do 73 minus 26. Okay, pause. All right, an easy way to figure out whether you need to regroup is to do our little saying that we learned: more on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. I do have more on the floor, so I need to go next door. So what I'm gonna wanna do is I'm going to look at what I have, and I'm going to have to I'm gonna take 10 away from here, so this is 6, and I'm gonna give it to my ones place over here. So now I have 13 minus 6. So if I count up 6 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 7. Okay. I'm gonna wanna move to my tens place. Now I have 6 apples minus 2 apples. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's 4. I don't know if my answer is right, so I'm gonna show you how to check the work. To check your work, let's use a different color. I'm gonna take my smallest number right here, okay, and I'm gonna put it right below my answer. I'm now gonna add this. If this total equals my top number, then I did the math right. If it doesn't equal that, then I made a mistake and I need to go back and check my work. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, carry my 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. My answer is 73. It matches this up here. I did it correctly, okay? And don't worry, I know it was really fast. We'll do some more of those. Hi, Hazel. That's my cat, Hazel. See you go, girl. Okay, let's do 61 minus 48. Is that right? Yep, here we go. Pause. All right, here we go. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna go next door. So now, this guy is gonna be a 5, so I took 10 away. I gave it to my ones place. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, should be a 3. Okay, 5, so 4, 5. 5 apples minus 4 apples is gonna give me 1 apple, so 13. So let's check our work. Remember, when we check our work, we're gonna take this small number and we're gonna add it to our answer. Okay, if it equals our big number, then we did the math right. So let's give it a shot. 8, 9, 10, 11, carry my 1, 4, 5, 6, 61. It matches, so 13 is my answer. Awesome. Let's do one more. 33 minus 18. Okay, pause. All right, here we go. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go next door, take 10 away, which leaves me with 2. I'm gonna give that right here. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep. Okay. 2 apples minus 1 apple is gonna give me 1 apple. I'm gonna check my work, and to check my work, I'm gonna take this small number, okay? I'm gonna add it, and if it equals this big number, we did the math right. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Carry my 1, 1, 2, 3, 33. That is my top one. So 15 is my answer. All right, let's do one more, because I know the checking your work can be kind of tricky. I'm sorry, my vacuum's running in the background. So let's do 66 minus 48. Pause. All right, here we go. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So I'm gonna go ahead and borrow 10 from here, give it to this guy. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay? 5 apples minus 4 apples is gonna give me 1 apple. I'm gonna check my work right here. I'm gonna take my smaller number and I'm gonna add it. Okay, 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry my 1, 4, 5, 6. 66 matches that number. So 18 is my right number. All right, guys, that is all we have to do when it comes to subtraction. Remember, there's basic subtraction, there's double-digit subtraction, there's subtraction with regrouping, and it just, I don't know, it's kind of fun. And when you're doing a triple-digit subtraction problem, you do the same thing, you carry the same way. I hope that was helpful, and I'm thinking about you guys all the time.